We pledge ourselves
to
liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
greatness, we say. The whole world in a crisis. Man, I move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's a fi all of me dogs in the streets of the road. It's a crunch time. I go so hard on the line.
They never know me when me broke and when me hungry. Maga like macaroni. They never know me when me broke and when me hungry. Here gun one come surround me, but they never know say me streetwise. Never know say me streetwise. Only from the gully long time me a tour. When the tour done me want rich me not pay poor.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, Gully Bop, Gully Bop passed away, and how I feel about Gully Bop. Gully Bop was a definitely anomaly, like they would say, anomaly. I think I said it right. He kind of break out from off the streets and skyrocketed to a good music career. But one thing I noticed, and I know he's dead, and we shouldn't talk about the dead, but one thing we noticed when Gully Bop did Bossway and thing and do him thing, the girl named Chin, she end up there with him because she was his manager, and it just shows the kind of system. Once him start just welling at the music thing, now she, is a uptown girl, so them brown skin Chinese girl there. Now talk to no black ugly missing teeth man. But once him things start, but she start manage him, and then when we realize it's the flip side of that youth we name Gully Bop. Cause I think Gully Bop did have a mental problem, cause I'm studying video them and think. So it's a very, how can I say, it's not a tragic story, it's an unfortunate story, because he had probably health problems just like all of us have health problems. It doesn't matter who you are, and he made the money and the limelight and the squandering and the Jamaican mentality. So it's a good story for the people who is in music business. Once again, Gully Bop is dead, Mr. Malcolm is dead, him did sick bad. A old drunker bridging, my DJ bridging, and him and Gully Bop spar more time, cause him used to call me and say, yo, me there with Gully Bop. So it's just unfortunate, and all of us have to go one day. At least Gully Bop, say was a star, a music star, and see him dead now, and I bet you since him dead, his music is gonna take off even more, and he is a reggae icon. So yo, my hats off to Gully Bop, straight up. You understand? None of us is perfect, and that's all me have to say. Gully Bop dead at the age of 59. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Peace. Rest in peace, Gully Bop.